How to clean a sofa chair properly. Cleaning a sofa chair requires careful attention to the type of fabric and the level of dirt or stains. Here is a complete guide to help you clean your sofa chair effectively. Materials needed. 1. Vacuum cleaner with brush attachment. 2. Mild detergent or upholstery cleaner. 3. Warm water. 4. Microfiber cloth or soft sponge. 5. Soft bristled brush. 6. White vinegar for deeper cleaning. 7. Baking soda for odor removal. 8. Spray bottle. 9. Dry towel step-by-step cleaning guide. 1. Check the sofa's cleaning code. Before cleaning, check the tag on your sofa for cleaning codes. 1. Water-based cleaner can be used. 2. S. Only solvent-based cleaners, no water. 3. WS. Both water and solvent-based cleaners are safe. 4. X. Only vacuuming is allowed. No liquids should be used. 2. Vacuum the sofa. Use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to remove dust, crumbs, and debris from the surface and crevices of the sofa. This step prevents dirt from spreading when using liquid cleaners. 3. Spot clean stains. If your sofa has stains, follow these steps. 1. Mix a small amount of mild detergent with warm water. 2. Dip a microfiber cloth or sponge into the solution and gently dab the stain. 2. Do not rub, as this may spread the stain. 3. For tougher stains, use a soft bristled brush to scrub gently. 4. Deep clean the sofa if necessary. 1. For fabric sofas, mix equal parts of white vinegar and warm water in a spray bottle. 1. Lightly spray the solution on the fabric and wipe with a clean cloth. 2. For leather sofas, use a mixture of mild soap and warm water. 2. Wipe the surface with a damp cloth, then dry immediately with a soft towel to prevent damage. 5. Remove odors with baking soda. 1. Sprinkle baking soda over the entire surface of the sofa. 2. Let it sit for 15-20 minutes to absorb odors and moisture. 3. Vacuum the sofa thoroughly to remove the baking soda. 6. Let the sofa dry. Allow the sofa to air dry naturally. Avoid using direct heat, such as hair dryers, as it may damage the fabric. If possible, place the sofa near a fan or open window for faster drying. Additional tips. 1. Always test any cleaning solution on a hidden area before applying it to the entire sofa. 2. Regularly vacuum your sofa to prevent dust buildup. 3. Use a fabric protector spray to keep your sofa clean longer. By following these steps, your sofa chair will stay clean, fresh, and comfortable for a longer time.